The Chinese People's Liberation Army, PLA, Air Force on Tuesday released a microfilm celebrating its 76th founding anniversary, in which it for the first time showed an aerial formation consisting of a GJ-11 stealth drone, a J-20 stealth fighter jet and a J-16D electronic warfare aircraft. An expert called it a perfect combination for penetrating hostile defense lines. To mark the 76th founding anniversary, the PLA Air Force released a microfilm titled Far-Reaching Dreams on Tuesday. Through the perspective of an ordinary family, the microfilm portrays the developments of the Chinese Air Force. The microfilm released footage of a GJ-11 stealth drone teaming up with a J-20 stealth fighter jet and a J-16D electronic warfare aircraft in an aerial formation for the first time. The microfilm featured scenarios in which a GJ-11 set out from its hangar, took off, and then formed an aerial formation with a J-20 stealth fighter jet and a J-16D electronic warfare aircraft. In the microfilm, the GJ-11 was referred to as Xianlong, while the J-20 was referred to by its long-known nickname Weilong. With a flying wing aerodynamic design, the GJ-11 stealth attack drone was first unveiled at China's National Day military parade held in Beijing in 2019. Song Zhongping, a Chinese military affairs expert, told the GlobalTimes on Tuesday that the PLA Air Force's latest microfilm indicated that the GJ-11 drone has already reached a certain level of operational capability in terms of operating with manned aircraft. The trio combination of the GJ-11, J-20 and J-16D is a perfect one, Song said, explaining that the J-16D electronic warfare aircraft can conduct jamming and paralyze hostile radar systems, while the J-20 fighter jet and GJ-11 drone, taking advantage of their stealth capabilities, can break through the hostile defense line and destroy key targets. The GJ-11 drone could act as an extension of the manned aircraft, going deeper into high-risk zones. This combination is expected to further enhance the PLA Air Force's capabilities in breaking hostile air defense systems, Song said.